Be tough, right? It's the foundation of learning yet can feel overwhelming when the words are just too hard to grasp. In India, over 60% of Class 5 students can't read basic English. It's not about intelligence, the learning system misses their needs. Meet 𝐷𝐞𝐚𝐝𝐻𝐧, India's first AI-powered reading and speech correction tool, tailored for learners, teachers, and parents. Simply pick a paragraph, hit start reading, and let your voice guide the way. It's that easy to begin your journey. Our system uses Whisper AI to not just hear you, but to understand. It listens, transcribes, and evaluates as you read aloud. It provides live feedback on each word, highlighting where you shine and where there's room for more confidence. Ready to dive deeper? 𝐷𝐞𝐚 includes bite-sized grammar tutorials, listening practices, and interactive lessons as you learn. Parents and teachers can track progress easily, accessing detailed reports and growth charts to see how students are improving. 𝐷𝐞𝐚 champions bilingual reading, making learning comfortable, whether you're exploring English or Hindi at your own pace. Thousands of learners, from busy cities to quiet villages, are finding their voices without fear. Only growth awaits them. Join the 𝐷𝐞𝐚 revolution now. Start reading smarter and learning faster today. Visit 𝐷𝐞𝐚.in or scan to get started.